Excuse me. Good evening, everyone. It is after 9 p.m. Probably can see there in the camera, 9:11 p.m. Finally checked into our room in Mississauga, Ontario, right by the airport. Basically checked in, used the potty. Still got the hiccups, no matter what. But yeah, I'm just heading outside. And I'm going to be having a smoke break, as well as I gotta unload the car. So I thought I'd do a video on my way outside before I unload the car, at least. But at least everybody know I made it safely. It was quite the journey, obviously. At least it was a smooth ride. I actually enjoyed it driving that night. Surprisingly, the traffic wasn't irritating me. So, and I didn't get off on the wrong exits either, so even better, I didn't have to detour. I'm actually getting better on the major highways, not taking the wrong exits and running into a detour. Echoing. I could just imagine what people are thinking in the motel room as well while I'm walking by. So I am next to the airport. It's sometimes noisy because, yeah, planes come and go. And it is still chilly. That's what happens when you live in Ontario, Canada. Well, especially Canada. Winter, I can feel it in my bone. It's right around the corner. I'm actually going the wrong direction. That's alright. I apologize about that. It's just long drive. And of course, I only smoke outside. I don't smoke indoors, like inside my car or my home. And of course, I'm checked into a motel. Can't smoke inside there either. But like you can see, I'm a little pooped. I mean, what you can see, I'm right by the airport. But it sucks with the lights because it's glary when it's nighttime. But anyways, I just wanted to touch base, say hello to everybody. Because obviously I've been what we would call it vlogging during my journey. My mom has an appointment for back pain management. So I drove her 8 hours away from home so she can attend her appointment. Yeah, so of course, anywhere and everywhere I go, I still get the hiccups. And it's nice. Oh, they changed their sign. It's not the first time we stay at this motel. Oh, you can't really read it. Bummer. But it says, for being outstanding in his field. It's probably something on the other side. I can hear the planes. I'm almost at my car as I parked on the other side of the building. And of course, taking a detour. Here. Now you can tell that I'm by the airport. Oh. So the other side of the sign says, why did the scarecrow win the Nobel Prize? That makes sense to what it says on the other side of the sign. I should learn to come from the other side, that direction. Maybe things would make more sense. But it is freezing. When I left my car, it's at 7 degrees Celsius still. It just seems to be following me the same temperature-wise. A little windy. Finally made it to my car. But anyways, I hope everybody has a good night. I'm most likely going to be making more videos during my trip, especially when I get the hiccups all the time, and a lot of people have been loving them. So I'll do the best I can, and once I get home, I do have some things to do, but I do need to finish my little projects so I can make more videos, especially that Q&A I've been promising everybody and been procrastinating, and I need to stop the procrastination. But like I said, most likely going to be doing more videos tomorrow, especially on my trip. Every section I go, I encounter people I don't know, so chances are them stopping me and questioning me, and it helps to keep it entertaining. But have a good night. Until next time. Peace.